And we're here at Kite Beach. You can go walking. Walking in the afternoon para pumayat si Kuya Nagi. You can see that. Parang meron yata ditong event or a concert. Yan ang kanilang toilets. And here are, you can buy tickets here or snacks. Yes. Feels Juice Burger and Kitchen. You can see that.
Ganda na kasi ano na.
Ay, hindi naman tayo makanood dun sa concert. Oy, may yata to, entrance. Tsaka I don't want. May live ako ngayon. Hindi pwede. Dito nga ate, oh. Ako ako dun. Te! Naka-play na eh. Pwede kong order dito. Gusto mong kumain. Dito naman. Lahat ng nakikita nyo ngayon ay pagmamayari ko. Yan. Dito kami mag-walking kasi sa hapon, kailangan nating mag-exercise. Wow. Thank you pala, shoutout pa hindi pa sa pag-video. Ako videographer for today. Me Fabio from Bicol City. Please read this one. Think and move. Transform. Shout out my soul sister Allard for today's video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tara na. We're going na. We don't want to stay here. It's so hot, humid, you know. Stop, look, and listen. Shout out Madam Diane Studio, Ramses, Jericho, Ma'am Chara, Josie Dixon, The Boys and the Girls, Team Pula. Shout out, may mga palangga. Thank you so much for watching. Saan yung kotse ko? Charot. Saan yung aming taga-maneho? Kasi we're going home na. This is the car when you need a friend. Mauwi na kami. Magluto pa kami ng kamoting kahoy. pang Pinas talaga, guys. Alright, thank you for watching for today's video. Kuya Nagi Babe saying bye-bye. Dubai Beach. 1450. And gawin natin 4 minutes. 4 minutes.